Hello viewers and welcome once again to Sam Tunzi TV, and this is our fifth video on how to make a jembe handle or jembe stick. And what we are doing there, we are trying to trim, to cut the tail so that it will be neat, using a handsaw there. Look at what we have done. Look at what we have done. Now our jembe is okay. Using a machete or a panga, we need to remove those grains, those big grains. Look at that one is very big. We need to cut it off. Look at that, and after that we are going to look for a piece of a broken bottle. That one will help us to smoothen the surface of that jembe stick, to improve the texture of it. Look at that. The jembe is almost ready. It's almost ready now. It can be used, but before it's being used, we need to smoothen that so that the person who will be using it will not hinder his palms. After the broken bottle, then we need to use a sandpaper to make it very, very smooth. That is what I'm doing there. All of it, we need to sand all of it. We need to smoothen every part of that stick. Now, this is the last part of the video, because now it's very smooth. Now we